This episode is sponsored by City Traders Imperium. CTI is a prop trading firm looking for profitable Forex traders who need more capital. CTI will back its traders up to $2 million, which is the most in the industry, and thousands of traders worldwide are trading their capital remotely from their own home. It's the most flexible funding provider in the industry, where any strategy is welcome and overnight or weekend positions are allowed. Plus, CTI doubles your account every time you hit 10% net gain, which you can scale up to $2 million. Click the link in the description to find out why City Trader offer the best funded trader program in the industry, or visit citytradersimperium.com. Hey guys, Cam Hawkins here from Trading Nut. Welcome to this video where we've got a guy that goes by the name of Institute Trader who's an ICT student. In fact, he was banned by ICT. He was an ex-student of ICT, uses a style. He's going through a chart setup here, a trade setup that he took himself. He gave it as a call. It's actually really insightful in terms of how he breaks down the chart, how he picks the entry, how he picks his exit, which is more to the point. And I'm assuring you guys, and I'm assuring you, ICT, I know you've been on the show, I know we've had a chat before, I'm assuring you that this is content that you've already shared in your free videos. So guys, this is not content that has come from the course. That said, Institute Trader did get kicked off the course, and we recorded that story. I wanted to share it here. I was going to check with ICT if we could. Unfortunately, there seems to be no way of contacting him at the moment. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to chuck the video that goes maybe for 5 or 6 minutes, maybe even longer, where Institute Trader walks through how he got banned from the course, up in the members only section of the Trading Nut channel. So if you want to get access to that, head to Trading Nut on YouTube, the channel, scroll down the videos, and you'll see there a link to the to this video. Okay, so with Institute Trader, it's the only one, it's the first one there. There's going to be more videos like this in that members only section, so go there and check it out. Now let's get on with this. It's a great walkthrough. I learned about 5 things just watching this one video. Here we go.
All right. Okay. Thank you. So I pretty much trade very simple. With ICT stuff, I've made it very simple for myself. I trade just breakers. And if you followed ICT for a while, he's talked about breakers and everything else out there. But I personally stuck to breakers. So I'm only looking for, like I mentioned earlier, I'm looking for the stop run. So when they stop people out, where they're going to run it to, and then I go in for it. So I'm going to walk you through this trade that I took. I actually didn't take it. I gave it to my guys on Forex Lens. So looking at price, we had this equal high in here. Okay. And prior to that equal high being run, I talked about price making a run for this low. Because if you see price is doing the same thing over and over again. So I saw price coming for this low, right? And then after they did run this stop, we had equal high here. So I do have other things that probably I will not share here, but I look for oil to decline in October, going towards the end of October. If you watch oil in the past, you see that every October oil does drop. So we are in October, we have equal high, they've already run stops here. So my narrative on this chart is, okay, they're going to send price up here and then take it down. So this is when I saw everything that has happened right here. So when they did run this, I said, okay, they're going to take price up here. And then once they run it, we are going to come down for this equal low. Because remember, I said earlier, that's where the money is. The money is below the lows and the highs. That's where the banks are interested. That's where everyone is interested in. Anyone that has money to move the market, that's where they are interested in. So after they ran this equal high, price broke down. So my setup, like I said earlier, is a breaker trader. So I look for the breaker, and what the breaker is basically what price took up to take out the stops. They're going to take it off when it's going down. So if you look here, as price ran above the equal high, it broke down right here with this move. So once that happens, I look for the breaker. So the breaker is right here, and that's where I'm looking to take my trade. So once price returns to it, it might not. Sometimes it doesn't. It does come back probably. It can take years. It can take months. But if it does happen to return back, that's my trade. So anytime I see a stop run and it breaks down, that's when I'm interested in that pair. So once this broke down and it returned back here, that's my trade. And I told the members to sell short with a stop just above this high, just above that high. And we also learned a concept with trend line, where there will be trend line traders that will love to buy when price hits a trend line. So I did see this as a first touch here. So that gives me a perfect trend line that when it comes back there, the trend line traders will probably jump in and buy. So my first target, or the first target I gave to the members, was to take something off when price gets to the trend line. And then once we hit the trend line, probably it might bounce, but if it doesn't, then look for your next target to the downside. That was the idea. But then the entire trade was to come down here. So the next trade that they had was, after this stop has been run, usually price will pull back, because price never goes down in a straight line. So they will pull back up. So if they do pull back up, then you can look for the same setup again. Right here, that was another trade. So they took price up, just like they did here, and then broke down. Took price up, broke down, and then right in here, that's another trade. And where are we targeting? There. So that's the whole story of this trade.
Brilliant.
So that's how I trade. It's very simple, but you need to practice and understand the entire storyline of what's going on.
I told you guys, didn't I? It was really, really good. Now, I hope you liked it. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and then also click on the notifications bell, click all, so you get videos like this in the future. Also, remember that you can get the little secret video that we've got there up in the members only section and see his story about how he got banned from ICT. And also, last but not least, the Forex Lens offer as well. So there's a Forex Lens offer. If you guys want to get access to Institute Trader, trade alongside him, then check out the link under this video where you can get a special coupon code from Trading Nut. It's called Trading Nut, and you're going to get some money off Forex Lens as well if you join up with them. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.